Welcome to HubMesh. Here are the developer tools and AI agents trending on GitHub right now.
Batch generation in claude-ai-ultimate queues multiple tasks efficiently, but stick around to see the simple 3-step setup. This project provides the ultimate environment for unifying your generative workflows in a single workspace. It delivers an all-in-one solution featuring text, image, and multimodal content creation with fully customizable parameters. You can visit documentation or grab the latest release download directly from the official project links. Built-in multimodal support lets you process and generate audio, video, text, and images inside one platform. Following the quick setup guide, just unpack your downloaded archive and run the installer to start creating immediately. Zilab's Pixel 12px renders Chinese text on an 11x12 pixel grid, but stay tuned to see how Python builds it. Notice the warning about the rename from bitmap to pixel, which requires manually reselecting font names in your editor. Sample previews illustrate crisp rendering, demonstrating how the font handles dense text and periodic tables. It is important to pick the right variant between CN/HC and JP to match regional orthographic standards. With 2994 characters in CN, software can configure fallback behavior, so missing glyphs borrow from fuller variants. Finally, executing the build script with FontTools compiles custom pixel font binaries directly from source. Connecting 14 AI tools via Unix socket IPC, CodeIsland delivers live agent updates directly to your screen and beyond. Built for macOS, it transforms your MacBook notch into a dynamic island status panel for instant developer feedback. Because CodeIsland lives right inside the notch area, you never lose focus switching windows just to check on tasks. The panel expands automatically for active sessions and tool responses, collapsing cleanly when idle to prevent visual distraction. Whether you use Gemini Cursor or VS Code tools, it unifies events across terminal tabs and IDE environments. You can install it quickly using Homebrew, unlocking Companion sensing that mirrors live agent updates directly to your Apple Watch. KnowledgeRail uses MCP SDK2X to give agents deep codebase context, but how do you run unreleased builds? This local-first server turns project documentation into durable context, keeping missing evidence explicitly reported for full agent accuracy. It provides 8 domain-oriented tools with validated actions so agents execute machine-readable next steps safely. System requirements need Node, JS 22.12.20 or newer across macOS, Windows, or Linux, including built-in Mermaid rendering support. For a quick launcher inside Cursor or VS Code, npx auto-discovers your open project path independently. To install from source, clone the repository and run the built node script to unlock unreleased local builds. Scanning for private true packages, workspace-publish-guard fails CI before bad releases ship, while tracking total finding counts. This maintainer tooling scans the tree up front to catch unpublishable packages before they hit the public registry. It can detect workspace protocol ranges across dependencies and exits code 1 whenever unsafe packages are found. You can run test commands against unsafe monorepo fixtures in Bash or PowerShell to verify exit behavior quickly. The CLI provides options for machine-readable JSON output and uses standard exit codes to signal workspace status. Configuring action inputs for the package directory exposes finding count outputs, giving you full reporting inside your workflow. With 1049 catalog extensions, deepseek-plugin-store expands your setup, but safe installation requires a command trick. This hub connects community tools across the DeepSeek Harness ecosystem, offering documentation English. The main directory index organizes navigation so developers can browse categories or submit new additions. Targeted categories list project counts for UI enhancements, workflow automation, monitoring, and developer helpers. A leaderboard ranks trending items by GitHub stars, featuring popular options like modlins. Run the CLI command specifying your profile, or pin source builds to commit wxtsky for safe installation. That's the mix for today. More trending dev tools and AI agents in the next one.